Hi guys, it's been a while since I've done an Etoro portfolio update, and in December I became a popular investor with Etoro, which means that you can copy me. So how I'm going to structure this video, so you can jump around if you wish, is in the first element I'm going to take you through my portfolio, all the positions and how it's doing. In the second part, I'm going to tell you about being a popular investor and what that's like, all the questions that I keep being asked about, like if I make money from it, etc. And then in the last part, I'm going to show you how my copiers are doing. So when you invest makes a big difference in terms of how you're going to perform, because if you copy my trades, you'll be opening them at a different time to me. So I'm not going to show names, but I'm going to take you through and show you like the date when they started copying me and how they're doing now. Obviously, if you want to sign up to Etoro and copy me, or just sign up anyway, I do have a link down in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. I'm going to start with the least profitable investments and then work up to the most profitable. So my least profitable is NEO. I'm down 49% on that one. Bad investment there. Cardano is my everlasting pain. I think it's such a good project and I really truly believe in it. I'm currently down 22% on Cardano. But whereas with NEO, I don't really know if they will recover, with Cardano, I'm really hopeful. And I know with crypto, it's not necessarily how good the project is, but I'm gonna hold out hope. 3M is my next investment. I'm down 17.54 on that. And you can see here where it says overnight fees. I just want to be clear, those are not fees. Where you are charged actual fees on here, these will be showing negative. So these are actually dividends. So I've got £2.60 or $2.60 rather, sorry, in dividends from 3M, 8.50 from Admiral, from which I'm down 12.4%, 1.22 from VOO, which I'm down 4% on, and VTI, which I got $1, which I'm down 3.7% on. Obviously, if you have been following the news or anything, you'll know that the stock markets are a little bit volatile right now, which is why certain things like even the index funds are still down. Google, I'm up 2% on. Tesla up 2% on, which is actually really good because Tesla's been down for me for quite some time. Amazon up 2.6%. Legal in general up 3.26%, but you can see here I've got a £19.95 from dividends from Legal in general. Now, sideways little remark. This is actually something I really like about Etoro, because none of the other platforms that I use allow me to just see the dividends like that. Like, here's the total dividend you've received from this company. So I do really like this little feature here. Procter & Gamble, I'm up 10.6% on, which is pretty good. Johnson & Johnson, I'm up 15.74%. GSK, 22.39% up. And all of these, obviously, you can see the dividends, $5.74 for Procter & Gamble, $3.78 for Johnson & Johnson, and $8 for Glaxo. Bitcoin, I'm up 33.6% on. Obviously, if you watch my previous videos, you'll know that was way higher before. Drax, I'm up 66% on. This is insane. I wish I had invested more in them when I had. I knew they would go up. I just didn't know just by how much. But $4.69 from dividends here as well. AbbVie, I'm up 85.95% on, and I've had $7.93 of dividends. And my top performing investment for quite some time now is Ethereum. So I'm up 149.6% on Ethereum. As you can see, I only invested $75 here. Can you say regret? I definitely regret that. So if we go to my overall stats, as you can see, they break it down here per month and per year. So last year I was up 25.66%. And in the few months before that, when I first joined Etoro, I was up 4.37% in those 3 months. And then this year so far, I'm down 0.72%, but obviously that's just this year. So if we added all of these up, I'd still be up like way over 20%. But January was a really, really, really bad month for the market. So I was down 6.8%. But in March, I went up 5%, which was awesome. And then in April so far, 0.6% up. Okay, so in terms of being a popular investor, a lot of people ask me if I make money and all that kind of stuff. And the answer is not yet. You do eventually make money from being a popular investor, but it all depends on how many people are copying you and how much money you have under your management. So I basically don't have enough people copying me yet to start making money from it. But obviously there's an incentive there to make your portfolio perform well, because the better your portfolio performs, the more people are going to copy you. The more people copy you, the more then you're going to make money. So it's almost like an I win, you win situation. Now, technically, anyone can copy anyone on the Etoro platform. So a lot of people say, why would you become a popular investor? Like, what do you get from it? Mainly it is the fact that eventually you would get paid, whereas if you're not on the program, it doesn't really matter how many people copy you, you wouldn't get that payment. And secondly, you do get the benefit of being promoted by Etoro. So a while ago, I was on this Discover page. So you can see here, they have the Discover page and they have featured people here. So they often change these people round, and I was on there for a couple of weeks and I gained quite a lot of followers, which was nice. So yeah, that's that. And then in terms of the performance of my copiers at the moment, as you can see, we have a lot of green here, a few reds at the beginning, then all of this green. So this is their profit and loss on investing with me. We have a few that are nearing 11%. This one is 11, and then a few more reds here. But obviously these people, as you can see, invested at the end of 2021 where everything was really, really high. So it's still going to take some time to recover, which is why I say on my description that you should at least invest for 12 months with me. And then a final one here at 3% as well. So mostly in the green, with just a few people in the red who invested a long time ago when everything was at all-time highs, or a few that only recently joined. So obviously you shouldn't really expect gains that soon. So yeah, I think that was short and sweet. I didn't really waffle, which is good. Let me know if you have any questions about that, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.